All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Folks over at i-Blason sent over this beautiful case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, what's in this case, what's in this box is absolutely beautiful. It is their new red color, and I mean, it is a stunning color to behold in person. So no prolonging here. Nice box presentation. Here's the case. Nicely protected. Look at how beautiful that is, folks. That is a beautiful looking red. This video has been recorded with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So, first things first, you get a kickstand. A lot of people are going to want to use the kickstand with this device. It's just a must. This is just how you're going to do it. It's going to be nice. You're going to be able to sit it up like this, or either way, however you decide to do it. Oh, yeah, that's the way it doesn't go. Stop, John. But yeah, beautiful color red. The Armor box. This is their basically the subcase, Unicorn Beetle Subcase Pro. This is what this is. Just a different look, and it looks phenomenal. It doesn't look. It's not as big as I remember some of the other. Yeah, oh, I guess because the fold is slimmer this time around. So, sound effects. Gratifying, folks. Let's get another one. That one wasn't too good. Let's grab our fold here. Snap it in place. Ooh, that is beautiful. I do have a tempered glass on here, so I'm sure it'll play well with it. Most of the time, I remove the plastic screen protectors. This actually feels really good. I mean, it feels like what you would think the case would feel like for your Armor rugged style case. But you just have to bear in mind, these cases are not only for people who are working in construction and things like that, because by today's standards, everyone is subject to, look at the little red T on there. Oh shoot, it had the little red T there. My Tesla red T popped up and it was just very faint. It was just coming through. You can kind of see that it was just coming through. It was pretty dope. But yeah, man, a lot of people are going to want protection nowadays. Now, there is something going on with the S Pen. I got an email today, but I still wanted to show you the case. I think they're making an adapter or something for the S Pen because the current S Pen doesn't work with this right here. So they're making a little adapter to, there's the red T. Look at the red T. Look at that. It's dope. It's dope, right? Yeah. But there's an adapter that's going to go in there. This slot right here will definitely probably fit the previous generation S Pen. But yeah, this is a really good case. So you got easy access to the fingerprint reader because it is deeply recessed right here. And they said to make room for the volume rocker, so you have to have it a little offset like that. But just resting your hand there, it works great. Camera cutouts on the back, deeply recessed now. They are really recessed. So if you lay it down like this, drop it like that, nothing's gonna happen. You got these big, ginormous hinges right here on this either side. So when you're moving it in and out, you can see like that the protection. They also look like feet as well. So you got the full carbon fiber, and then you got the Samsung logo shining through right through there. Your pen would normally be there, but still, that looks pretty cool. Nice touch there. Red T with the red case. So yeah, this is all kind of grippy as well. This is like a textured all around the entire case, man. Make sure all your ports and everything are cut out. Microphones, all there. Now, as far as the tempered glass and the touchscreen, seems to be working. So if you're one of those people that don't want to take off your tempered glass, let's get some juice. Let's try wireless charging. No, mostly all these cases work. Yeah, it starts up right away. They work with wireless charging with no problem. But this is the Armor box, man. This red is beautiful. And if I'm being 100% with you, I'm probably going to remove this screen protector because I am going to use this case, this clear one, the plastic film. But for people that don't buy screen protectors, this is your all-in-one. This is all you need right here. You don't have to do anything. So, Shman J, hope you guys enjoyed. The armor box is now on the Z Fold 5. Take care.